concept because the boy, like you said, just wants to have the fruit, just wants to get the piece of that experience. It's like, that's going to ride, that's going to go away. You'll have that experience once. What I heard of value in what you said, someone who's down for knowing that we need to feed the world, knowing that there's a bigger beyond that, because the legacy of what you're leaving behind is going to hold more value. The experiences you get watering that plant, like just chopping the wood, doing the thing every day, is going to build value inside you so much. And I think that's where I see the difference. The boy is feeding his feminine, wants to have the experience of, I want to taste that fruit. There's a level of experience where a person recognizes that. And to what you were saying, if I am building with someone, I am looking for those that see like the unseen. Like I've had leadership groups and communities. I can tell who's there because I don't have access to fellowship or community. This is something cool. I'm not doing shit else better in my life. This is something fun. And then there's those who are, well, we're gonna need this, this, and this, and we haven't thought about this yet. And like, this is the long term. We may do this one thing, that's not the fruit. That's not the finish line. That's not even it. It's the, okay, we did it. Now we're gonna have to keep doing it. Now we're gonna, and that's a long-term commitment that you said, someone's gonna be showing up to water that plant. And that's a hard fucking thing to find in the world of ordinary. Like sifting through everybody that's out there. You mentioned something who have interest, you'll spark all kinds of interest. But people who are vetted, people who have maturity, experience, wisdom, and especially men's work.